A Wednesday morning, couldn't stay home. We'll try to go around. It's like winter in November. Huh? Isn't that lousy? It's supposed to warm up. They say that every day. Hey, we need to ride. Bon, anyways, we're gonna try this path. So far, it's not very good. With the winter tire, but they're not ice tires, you know, ice and snow, two different things. So mainly most dressed up. My gloves are big, my winter glove. Oh, I'm not on the right track. Let's change track. Yep, it's not gonna be too fast over those bigger tires anyways. Oh, sacrément. Oh my. They don't clean here, so I'm not gonna come here too often. Oh boy. Oh boy. Riding on eggs. It's such a nice day, huh? Oh my goodness. Wrong path. So there's more people coming from the north than going towards the north. Oh, yeah. So I'm all dressed up. If I fall at 1 mile an hour. But with my experience, no, nothing with experience. You get ice sheet and that's it, man. My friend broke his shoulder. Oh, sacre moi. Sacre bleu. Oh, is this one open? Yeah. Whoa, this one is open. Got no more, my mouth. My grandniece is getting it. So let's try to cross here. Oh boy. Need some chains, stud tires. But stud tires, winter stud tires, I saw that, but you get to lose your stud if you ride on the on pavement or like I'm doing now. So I don't feel like riding on the ice if I have the opportunity to ride on the asphalt or the cement, you know. So the main thing when you ride on the ice, not to give any gas and pray a bit. Yeah, well, depends if you don't want to pray. Hopefully it's gonna get better, guys. I'm sorry, we've been getting cold and it's melting, coming down, melting. So November, sacre bleu, not December, not January. We're with the mass actually. That's my winter scooter now. So the Ultra, she's like a bear, she's sleeping. I have a small scooter, but I don't, that also is sleeping. Oh man, going back to the ice. I don't think we're gonna meet anyone. Well, I'm on the right track, the wrong track. See why. Show you my bigger tires. Got my big goggles, polarized, but I can't see. Can't see down there. It's like if I would have a big belly, you know. Can't see down there. Gotta take off the goggle. Trying my winter helmet as well. Oh yeah, a winter helmet. I'll show you that. Oh my goodness, I don't know if we're gonna be able to go. Yeah, it's always the same path. To see, can't invent them. We don't have the budget. And to put the scooter in the car and drive 100 kilometers to have the same feeling here. No, not me. I ride about 2,000 kilometers per year with my car. And I did 6,400 with my 2 scooters this summer. Yeah. My car is a 2009. It's not even rusted. Why should I change? It's a great car. She rides very well. That's fine, that's my scooters. Well, we're not bad here. I'm gonna meet a walker. Let me see how much minute we have. We're at 9. I can't. I gotta lift my goggles if I want to see, because they're too big. Yeah, another nice smile. Not a smiling runner. Hey kid, smiling runner. Yeah, just 45 here. Staying alive. No need to go too fast. The big rubber tire. Well, they're not very big actually. Once they're inflated, when they're not inflated, whoa, they look like a car tire, you know. But inflated, Well, every place there's gonna be shadow. We're gonna be in that icy condition. Okay, I gotta raise those goggles. Oh my god. Yep, okay, everything is fine here. 6 minutes only. Okay, we could go more. On the snow thing. Okay, now I see a bit more. Put my goggles off. They're great if you ride on a steady road that is clean, but if you ride at like this, what I'm doing now, can't see in front. I can't see. I see in front, but I can't see down too well. I gotta, you know. Okay, everybody's there. Oh, I see a truck. Try speed 4. Oh, speed 4. Love speed 4. Got the motorcycle pants. I took off the winter pants because I was too warm before. Did a test. So it's not cold enough to be with another pair of ski pants over the motorcycle pants that are over the Under Armour armor. Oh, just in case. Oh, they're working hard. Well, getting used to that. The best thing would be to have tires with chains. No, they would make noise. Yeah, no. Might get to the nice section here. We're in speed 4, so she goes. She goes. Like the nose. She goes like the nose. Oh, rocky road. Well, I really don't care. Not that I don't care, but I mean I don't mind. Well, this is the limbo section. Limbo now. Oh, shit, what they do. Well, let's try this side. This side. Guess I'm not alone. Guess we're not alone. So this is called winter-like riding. Imagine a few weeks ago we had some nice colors here. Not much now. Not much now. I like those. Brown and white is nice. You got a bit of green. Green is nice as well. So it's a slow ride. Don't expect me to go boom, boom, boom. Oh shit. It's really slippery now. Yeah. Boom, that's the limbo thing. Yeah. Well, I have so much power that I'm gonna just spin on the side, you know. Not gonna go forward because she's a heavy. She's a 62 kilogram one. That's what, 145, 140. It's a heavy guy. Well, we got 2 minutes to get the clean section. Let's see what we can do. We're in speed 4, by the way. Since it's a square wave, there's no dead spot on the trigger or the temp control, so you have very good control on the speed and power you want. For me, I think it's another plus. I prefer that. I like the sine wave as well, but square wave, once you know how to do it. Oh shit, the bin, did you see in front? Colin the bin, Colin the bin. And it's like icy cold. If it would warm up a bit, it wouldn't be that icy, you know, that slippery. Imagine guys with their small little tires. Okay, we got 1 minute, guys. Okay guys, take care. Thanks for watching. Happy riding. And I'm letting it roll. No, not letting it roll. Okay, I show you my winter tire. Oh, winter tire. Not good, eh? Okay guys, take care. Thank you. Keep watching. We're gonna go back this way.